Hashim Amla from South Africa played an innings of 114 runs and 123 runs not out against India. Jack Ellis from South Africa played an innings of 161 and 109 runs not out in second innings against India. Kieran Powell played an innings of 117 runs and 110 runs in a test match against Bangladesh. Kumar Sangakkara from Sri Lanka played an innings of 142 runs and 105 runs in a test match against Bangladesh. Peter Fulton played an innings of 136 and 110 runs in a test match against England. Brendan Taylor smashed 171 runs in first innings and 102 runs not out in second innings of a test match against Bangladesh. Kumar Sangakkara played an historic innings of 319 runs in first innings and 109 runs in second innings of a test match. David Warner smashed 135 runs in first innings and 145 runs in second innings of a test match against South Africa. Yunus Khan from Pakistan smashed 106 and 103 runs in consecutive innings of a test match against Australia. Azhar Ali smashed 109 runs in first innings and 100 not out in second innings against Australia. Misbah-ul Haq played an innings of 101 and 101 not out against Australia. David Warner smashed 145 runs in first innings and 102 runs in second innings of a test match against India. Virat Kohli scored a century in first innings and 141 runs in second innings of a test match against Australia. David Warner smashed 163 runs in first innings and 116 runs in second innings of a test match against New Zealand. Ajinkya Rahane from India played an innings of 127 runs and 100 not out in second innings against South Africa. Shai Hope played an innings of 147 runs and 118 runs not out against England. Mominul Haq from Bangladesh played an innings of 176 and 105 runs against Sri Lanka. Brendan Taylor smashed 110 and 106 runs not out in a test match against Bangladesh. Steve Smith smashed 144 and 142 runs in a test match against England. Rohit Sharma smashed 176 and 127 runs in a test match against South Africa. Usman Khwaja played a fantastic innings of 137 and 101 runs not out against England. Imam ul Haq with 157 in first innings and 111 runs not out in second innings of a test match against Australia. Johnny Bairstow played an innings of 106 and 114 runs not out in a test match against India. Marnus Labuschagne played an innings of 204 and 104 runs not out against West Indies. Najmul Hussain Shanto with 146 and 124 against Afghanistan.